Dear civil engineers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. So in this lecture, I'm just going to show that how we'll create our basement wall in our structure. So first of all, we have to know from which point to which point we have to create basement wall. So from that point to that point, we'll create basement wall. Okay, so to create basement wall, first of all, I have to go here, define, then section properties, then wall section, and here you can see that wall 10-inch. Here 10-inch wall is available for our lift core. Okay, so I'll add a copy of that property. I'll take another wall for 8-inch. I'll take 8-inch wall, and here materials property, I'll select M20 grade materials. If you need to change that, you can change that as previous. Okay, so here everything is okay, and from here you can the membrane type you can select as per requirement. So I'm just selecting shell thin, and after that here thickness 8-inch. Clear? Wall 8-inch, that is for basement. Okay, or the otherwise I can write here like that, then click OK. So okay, right, so before to create our wall, I just have to go in that floor. Okay, Z 16 feet. So here from that point to that point, that is, I'll just right click, and if I go geometry, so its height is 6 feet, and if I just go here, and it's 10 feet, total 16 feet. Okay, now I'll just come here, and before that, one thing I have to do, okay, before that work I have to do something like, I'll just go here, wall, draw wall, and from here I'll select that wall option, basement wall, and everything is okay. Here everything is okay, and here I'll simply create a wall, draw a wall. After that, by selecting that wall, I'll delete it. Just we have to do that work before drawing our wall. So when it's okay, when our drawing wall is okay, now I'll just select that beam like that. Very carefully I have to select that beam. With respect to that beam, we'll create our wall. Okay, so in this lecture I'm just showing you that how we'll create that wall, and in our next lecture I'll show you how we'll apply our soil pressure on that wall. So after that, I'll right click here, show selected object only to become overshoot. So here it's okay, and after that I'll click here pre-select. We have selected all of our wall. Okay, now I'll just go here, edit, then from here I'll go replicate. Okay, actually they have more option to do that work. So I have to go edit, then extrude, and from here extrude that frame to shell. Okay, so I'll just click here, and I'll just provide it 0, and here Z. Okay, so this is our Z direction from top to bottom in that direction. Now what I'll do, actually I will simply provide -10, and number, what will the number, that will be 1, and I'll just click apply. Now see, we have created that wall. After that, I'll just go down again, sorry, so after that again I'll just go down here in our 6 feet height, and I'll select that all beams also, all of our outside wall with respect to that, all of our outside beam with respect to that beam will create our wall. Okay, so when we are here, again I'll provide here the value of our height. So at 6 feet below our foundation level, okay, will be, so what I will actually do, I will consider for 5 feet. Okay, I'll consider for 5 feet, then I'll click apply. Just see here our all have created, right? So when it's done, I'll just close it. Here I'll close it, and after that our that base creating our basement wall, that is okay. Okay, so sorry, this is okay. Now I'll just click here, show all object. Now we have just created that, and by clicking here we can, I'll just go here, then our local axis, I'll just start that, right? So we have just created that, and if I just go here, view, then show render view, just see here everything is fine now. Okay, so everything is fine. Just see. So when it's okay, now I'll just go to that floor. Okay, I'll just go here and I will apply load on it. Clear? So for that floor, I'll just select all of that slab here like that, and also I'll go here. It's okay. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so 8 into 2, that means 16 shell. We have selected 16 shell, and here we'll assign our load. Now to assign load, I'll just go here, assign, then we'll go shell load, then uniformly load. So here we have to assign our load. First of all, I'll assign our live load for floor. Okay, live load for floor, and here I'll provide our live load. So I'll provide 40 pounds per square feet as per code. As per your code, you can assign here any load, then replace the existing load, apply, then pre-select. Again I'll select our floor finish, so I'll provide 25-inch floor finish. Actually, how we'll calculate that floor finish value per square feet? The simple calculation is, if your finishing value is 1 inch, okay, then it will be 12.5, and if your finishing value is 2 inch, for every 1 inch thickness of your finishing work above slab, it will be 12.5. That means I'm considering, as we have to use tiles on it, then that's why I'm considering 25. Then apply. Again I'll click pre-select. Okay, so after that I'll consider partition wall. So actually they have many ways to define partition wall load. I'm just defining that partition wall load, okay, as a uniformly load. So I'll provide 55 pounds. I'm just assuming that value, but if you need to calculate that perfectly, then you can do that. Then again apply. So when everything is okay, when everything is okay, now I'll select our that slab also. Okay, so to select that slab, our stair slab, I'll skip, and after that I'll go select, then properties, then slab section, and I'll select that SS6, then select, then close. So we have selected all of our that slab, right? And here you can see that, and also if I just go below, also you can see that we have selected. And again I'll go here, so everywhere I have selected that. Now what will do, actually here for our that case, I'll select partition floor finish for 25, then apply. I'll go pre-select, then here I'll assign our live load for 100, apply, and then okay. So it's done. Okay, it's completely okay. Now what we'll have to do, actually we have to replicate our model. Clear? We have to replicate our model. So how will replicate? To replicate our model, I'll just skip that. So in that floor we have to replicate, I'll just go our story 1 here above. Actually here I have to come here and I will replicate our model. So simply from that point to that point I'll select, and I must remember here that option should be on story. Okay, after that now we have to see which portion have selected and which portion haven't selected. So here if I just come that on, our that on, and also our that on, is it okay? And all of our that slab also selected, that's our that landing also have selected. After that, when it's okay, I'll just go here, edit, replicate, and I'll just use a story, and from our story 2 to terrace I'll take our mouse here. Just I'm taking our mouse here and I'll click apply. Just see, it's done. Okay, now I'll just come to our top floor. I'll go top. So here this is our terrace level. I'll close it, and here I'll delete many things. So see, like that I'll select that will also, and here also. Okay, and also I have to select that on, I have to select that on, and also have to select that on, and here that on, here, and here. Is it okay? When it's done, now I have to provide a slab here. So for that, actually they have different mechanism. Okay, they have different mechanism. If that portion, just listen me carefully, if that portion have another room for our lift meshing, then we have to use that value for it. Clear? So I'll just take a slab here, then slab here 5 inch slab, rectangle slab I'll draw, and from here to here I'll just draw it. Clear? Now I'll select that slab, and also I'll just go down. I'll select all of our that slab. This is a roof slab. Okay, so for roof slab, one thing we have to change. I'll just go here, assign, then shell load, then uniform load, and after that for our roof live load it will also be, and first of all our row live load floor that will be deleted, then apply. So it's deleted, then click pre-select, and our row live load should be replaced by the existing load, and it will be 100 PSF, then apply. Clear? And another load we have applied here, that will be okay, but I'll just click pre-select, and our partitional load that will be deleted. Right click. Now see, only floor finish and only uniformly live load for roof Actually this is for gardening purpose, that's why its load is huge. So it's done now. Okay, clear. So now it's clear, and also we have created our that floor, I mean that we have completed our complete structure. Now from next lecture I'll go for our analysis, and before that we have to assign load on it, I mean our soil pressure load. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.